Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming to you with another wonderful video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own jarred minced garlic. Okay? Now, if you got garlic in a container like this or in the actual cloves, well, that's all you need, okay? As well as a mason jar to store it, some extra virgin olive oil, and you're going to need a blender. Now, you got to be careful with the blender because you don't want to mince it too much. Okay? So, I'm going to be working with my blender cup today and some garlic. Now, you're also going to need some hot water. Okay? I'm just going to take as much as I think I'm going to need for this because my garlic is starting to show some weary signs and I don't want it to spoil. And don't ask me why I bought such a big thing of garlic. I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm going to fill this up to just as much as I think I'm going to need. Okay? I'm going to try this first, okay? Because this is pertaining to whatever size jar you have. And I think this might fit, so I'm going to start off with this, okay? Now let me mince up my garlic. Now I've never did this before, y'all, so we'll see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, see, this is starting to make a paste, like a very fine minced garlic. Okay, which is okay too, but I really didn't want it that minced up. Alright, so I'm just going to put a little water into my cup. A little hot water, just to get the blades going a little bit more. Okay, so you can actually make garlic paste. You can chop up the garlic if you choose to, or you can put them on a low pulse, which is what I should have done. So for now, we're just going to do it this way, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some of my extra virgin olive oil. Okay, I'm going to add some of that into my jar. And I'm pretty much going to just scoop out my garlic. Okay. Let's scoop that out. Now this way, not all your garlic may come out minced, but that's okay too. Alright, I'm just going to pour a little bit of water in there. Okay. So I'm going to put more garlic into my cup and finish mincing some more of it down. If you got a food processor, that's better than using this blender, you guys, because you're going to end up with garlic paste. Okay, so after I finish, I will come back to you with the finishing results. Okay, you guys, and we are back, and look at this. I mean, wonderful. So you're going to keep this in the refrigerator, use as needed, but there it is. Your wonderful homemade minced garlic preserved. Pop this in the refrigerator, keep it in there. As long as you need some, you use it as needed, okay? All right, you guys, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. And don't forget, check out these wonderful ways you can save money and save time. You can pre-mince your garlic in advance, especially if you bought a lot like I did. I'm trying to figure out now how I'm going to get rid of some of this garlic, but I'll figure it out somehow. All right? But in the meantime, you can make these wonderful storage ideas for your herbs and spices. Blend them up, pop them in the refrigerator, and use as needed. And save yourself a whole lot of money, okay? So thank you again for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more video ideas such as this, thumbs up, hit that like button, and share these videos, you guys, with your friends and family. Also, check out the links down below if you're looking for a full-size blender, as well as those nice metal straws and other wonderful ideas for you to purchase for yourself. Links are down below. As well as check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare videos, family vlogs, and fashion hauls, all on that channel, okay? So until the next time, you guys, don't forget I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.